Accenture has a sophisticated ecosystem and ventures team that is highly skilled and experienced over 3 decades, identifying the best-in-class technology. Accenture first qualifies the usefulness of a solution for our clients, then the level of impact that this solution can have for our clients' businesses, and then finally the scalability potential. As Accenture has a deep understanding of numerous industries, we can see where the partner is best to create value. Ultimately, Accenture works equally well with large hyperscalers and small startups, as long as they add value to our customers. We looked at the market and identified QualityLine as one of the most interesting startups in the quality space. Technical and business due diligence led us to believe that QualityLine is offering a really disruptive technology. Our clients' needs are around data and accessing of data. We saw the ability to bring short-term productivity improvement, but also build new services, such as leveraging the QualityLine Accelerator. Our aim really is to jointly accelerate the Industry 4.0 revolution. There are very few players in the space of test and quality that are as focused as QualityLine and have the technology and domain expertise to the depth necessary. The founding team of QualityLine comes with decades of expertise in the manufacturing space and truly knows what works in the real world. QualityLine brings a disruptive solution, solving the core access to data. We're very impressed by the ability to capture and process harmonized data within a few days, while an API approach would have taken us potentially months. We see QualityLine as an accelerator to delivering value to our clients. We bring the best of both companies, the artificial intelligence and data analytics capabilities of QualityLine and the quality engineering services of Accenture. This joint value solves key quality issues and delivers concrete impacts, such as the ability to improve quickly our client production efficiency, rapidly reduce the cost of production, increase the yield and production capacity, and reduce unplanned downtime. Ultimately, it helps improve quality and, as a result, reduce defective products. More importantly, in today's business environment, this collaboration can deliver very fast results with an ROI of 4 to 7 months. Based on the potential value of QualityLine, we decided to integrate their solution with our Industry X.0 portfolio and get the initiative sponsored by one of our specialized in quality engineering delivery centers. Our team of quality experts jointly developed a new go-to-market with predefined solutions by verticals, such as electronics and automotive. We're now able to accelerate deployment of QualityLine solutions by using the framework of services and assets. This is a very relevant question. How does a big firm work effectively with a smaller and more specialized partner? Accenture has been developing the partner ecosystem for many years now and understands that there is an ever-changing ecosystem and that new startups can deliver great value to our clients. For that reason, we have developed our ecosystem approach to be flexible and cater for all sorts of sizes of firms, as long as they can solve a key problem or deliver value to our clients. We aim to bring a very pragmatic approach and focus on serving clients first. More specifically, with QualityLine, we build a targeted solution for a market which the solution is able to generate the highest impact. We assigned a joint QualityLine and Accenture team to manage the relationship and engagement with our clients. The governance and methodology are very important for the success of that initiative. We try to align on timeframes, understanding how each company is working. The great part is that the QualityLine collaboration looks very promising, and we really value their passion for serving clients. It is very similar with the way that Accenture drives to deliver value for our clients.